Hi, good afternoon. How do you hear me? Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about basics of Excel, and we know all of you are learning in school, colleges, and going for work. And what we learned in the school or colleges, we are not able to apply when we start our job. So today's session is all about how to apply our learned things when we go to an office. So you all of you know that when you have a computer installed with Microsoft, you will be when you click on the right click on the desktop, you can see all the Microsoft things like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access. So we will go to the right click first and start new button and select the Microsoft Excel worksheet. So when you will open like this, it will be showing a blank worksheet like this. There will be cells, columns, and rows. So what is column? This is called column. This is called column. Column, columns. Okay. And this is called row. This is called row. So when your column meets the row, so when your column meets the row, that is called your reference cell. So when you have reference cell like this, okay, like this, in your column name will be like price example, okay, and you want to add the price 12 plus 12 plus 13 plus 48 plus 88.44 99.55.55 77.09 0099 7,000, like this different prices. So you want to add this. This is called range. Your starting number of price and ending number of price is called range. So you want to sum this range exactly, right? Correct? So this is your column number, C column, and this is your 11th row column where you want to get the total price. So here it will become total, and here you want to write your formula. So every time when you write a formula, first job is put the is equal to sign. Where you can find the is equal to sign near to the 0 button. Two button apart from that, it may be either minus or 0. So after 0 you can find plus button. On the plus button below of plus button you can find is equal to sign or is a sign. So when you are writing a formula, your first job is you are writing a sum and open bracket. Put like this. Then you want to write some number or select these numbers. So this is your range. So sum these range in the next column C2 to C10 in the 11th column, C11th column. Enter. You will get the complete number. Okay, to make you more understanding, this is the basic formula you might have learned in your school or college. Okay, so when you will go for addition purpose, first thing is we have to save this as addition. Where you want to save? Desktop. Which location you want to save, that you have to select from here. Desktop. The name of this one, addition. I'll just put add because I already have addition file there to show you more examples. So this is my addition file I already saved in the computer. So when you wanted to learn from the beginning, again we will go back. Whatever we discussed, forget about that. So our formula is sum or sigma range to range. From range to range. So from range to range. It can be like this in one column, sum range can be your numbers what you know already, or it can be a sum numbers what you have typed already, like column D8, the cell number D8, D9, D10, D11, and the D12th column you want to get the total. Okay, so the total we want to see here. So what formula I put here already? Sum of the D8 to D11. You got it? So when I will click on this, it will come on my 12th column, that is called D12, the total of the sum of all these numbers. So this is what we are learning in our colleges or schools or wherever we learn this formula. So when we go to the work site or office, how you will get it? It may be the amount what we are getting. It may be some numbers. It may be some marks if you are in the school or colleges and all. It may be some fund budgets if you are working in a big organization or a bank. It will be received payments or send disposed payments or whatever payments you are giving, or receivables or payables, whatever it is. The name may be different based on the money what you are giving or taking. So the receivables and payables will be having different names that will be coming here. Like examples we will see here, what are the things we have paid this money. Like fees may be this much amount, suppose 6,000. Okay, these columns I have added it here to show you some examples. So I will delete it here first. When we wanted to show you, that time we will add it. So this is the column I have added to show you an example. Okay, this we will delete for time being. So this will be your initial numbers. This is your total fees. It may be 7,000, 77,000 up to your receivables. So the amount will change here automatically. The 6,000 may be becoming big amount. It won't different, no difference. It will change everything for you at the end. You are working in a big bank, your amount will be like this. You're working in a BSNL company or Airtel company, amount will be looking like this. The expenses, petty cash amount may go like not this much, around 80,000 it may be going. So based on company policy, how much will be the petty cash amount. So goods purchases and all, it may go up. So for example, I showed you small numbers here, but the goods purchase or item purchase or investment goods, everything if you got see everywhere may be a big amount. So what is the number? Based on the number, this formula will automatically calculate. So your every month expense when you wanted to make, your only job is, okay, move or copy. Here you have to create a new. Suppose this month name was suppose January. What I copied it is February 2023. This will be January 2023. If you want to add in different pages, it will be like this. Every month data will go like this. So your job is when you are making from January to February, your things may be different, correct? Whatever the faces may be same, these headings may be changed, small changes only will happen. Here it will be blank, correct? So the basic formula will not change. That is the range of B3 to B16. Okay, this I was made 49, so it is showing like this. So it is the basic formula B3 to B16. So next month February data I am getting another numbers. Suppose I have 609, 669, what 66, rent 7,000. So my data are getting filled automatically. So here what you learned, you can make a template without numbers and make your work easily because of your formula. And you have, suppose you are working in BSNL or Airtel company, you may get enough numbers to enter. So get inserted one number like this, insert, then alt plus enter, it will be increasing your rows. So your first number is customer customer 1. Okay, so customer 1 you want to copy to customer 2. Now you have so many customers, you're working a big company, and your addition will go like this n numbers like 100, 200, 1 lakh, no issue. So your customer number 19, it became now your range is increasing. Your range become B3 to B35. So your B35 is your formula. Okay, in the 36th column you will get total. So when we will open this one, suppose your new month, you know that it will increase some, the similar format, it will increase same everything, the numbers will also automatically double. See, you can see the amount how it is increased because of this difference. Computer know that this is the difference for other number, this is the difference for other number. Like this everything it got auto calculated up to the end number what we have it here. So here you can see there is a formula applied automatically, the range applied by the company. So there are many tricks where you can make your total easily calculated. Suppose your things are growing in formal manner, like suppose you have here, this is your fee and this is your VAT. VAT is usually what happen, it is the 5%. So it will be almost similar like this. When you have a big number, it will be auto calculated like this when I will put a formula in this bar, I mean in this cell. So in this cell if I'll put a formula, I don't need to type it here every time. This will be taking from this cell and it will calculate here. I don't need to test this cell again. So wherever I have a formula, I will identify with some other color coding so that I will not change that number when the next month things will happen changed. Suppose I want to change all these changes, but I will not change this column, sorry, this cell, because there is a formula. Suppose I will put a formula, the percentage of above cell. Now I did not put it, I just telling you that there is a easy shortcut for this. So how this calculator, similar way it can also auto calculate. So you have seen that automatically it calculated the total. So don't need to make every month different calculations. Different headings are different means you need to insert a column, and if something is not there, you can put against, suppose instead of transport, workshop, or workshop allowance, something you want to spend on repair. Okay, workshop you spent 4,000 for a vehicle. Okay, now you added it, it's summed here. Suppose transportation you don't have this month anything, just make it 0. Class, that's finished now for you. So you know that the basic things are fixed here. So your template is ready, you can work in any organization. The addition, there will not be any doubt. Hope you understood how to do addition in Excel. These are the basic tricks. Sum is the basic formula. So in the sum formula, we know that we can calculate after sum formula like this non numbers, and like this ranges, and like this big ranges. So for addition, if you have any other doubts, you can put it in the comment box or chat box. We will come for your help. If you liked our channel, please subscribe, like and share. We will come with small tips related to Excel. This channel is only for Excel, so please make learn your your similar people like your brothers, sisters, teachers, or youngsters, whoever you want to make them to understand Excel more. So thank you for watching. Please share my channel. We will come up with new recordings. Thank you.